What if shipping your own orders is the cheapest decision you'll make? Everyone tells you the same thing when you start selling online. Let your print provider handle the shipping and never touch a label yourself. So the first time I packed and shipped my own order, I figured I'd just torch my profit margin. I was wrong, completely wrong. In the next few minutes, I'm going to pack real orders with you, show you the exact dashboard I use and the rate that made me rethink everything about shipping. And if you want the exact tool I'm using, comment the word ship and I'll send you a link to try it. There's a deal on right now that makes your shipments basically free. But heads up, it only works through that link, not by going straight on the site. More on that in a second. The profit wasn't hiding in the product costs. It was vanishing at the post office. Here's the part of selling online nobody puts in their highlight reel. The second you ship anything yourself, a bundle, a sample, a branded order of your bestseller, you run into retail shipping rates. And retail rates are brutal. Walk into the post office and that same package that costs you double what it should. Do that across dozens of orders a month and it quietly eats the margin you worked on so hard to build. That was me. I had products people wanted and shipping was the silent tax on every single sale. One dashboard, 40 plus carriers, up to 90% off. Then I found Shippo. And the thing that made it click was simple. I connected my store and every order showed up in one dashboard automatically. No copying addresses, no jumping between tabs. Shippo pulls discounted rates from over 40 carriers. USPS, UPS, FedEx, DHL, and ships you the cheapest option for each package side by side. We are talking up to 90% off retail rates. The first time I saw that discounted number next to what I've been paying, I said it out loud. So pack along with me. Step 1, my orders are already here in the dashboard, pulled straight from my store. Step 2, I select the ones I want to ship. I can do one or I can batch a whole stack at once. Step 3, Shippo shows me the rates. I pick the carrier and I print every label in one go. Slap it on the package and that order is done. What used to be my least favorite part of the day now takes a couple of minutes. But batch printing isn't even the part that saves me the most. The automation I set up next is, so don't click off. Set the rule once, let it run forever. Here's the automation. Inside Shippo, you can set up shipping rules so orders under a certain weight automatically get the right package type and the right carrier without you deciding every time. You set it once. After that, the boring, repetitive decisions just handle themselves. For a one-person business, that's the difference between shipping being a chore and shipping being an afterthought. The gap between retail and discounted, that gap is your raise. Now the money, let me put it side by side. Here's the retail rate for this exact package, and here's the rate through Shippo. That gap on every order, every month, that's real profit going back into your pocket. And getting started costs nothing. Shippo's starter plan is free. You get up to 30 labels a month and you only pay for the package itself. And right now, there's a deal. Spend your first $25 and Shippo gives you $25 back in credit. So your first batch of shipments is basically free. One important thing, this only works through my link, the one in the description, or the one I'll send you when you comment ship. Going straight to the website won't trigger it. You have to use the link. Quick honest note, the free plan is free on Shippo's own discounted rates. If you bring your own carrier account, there's a small 5-cent fee per label fee. But for most of us starting out, you'll never touch that. Everything that used to live in 5 tabs now lives in one. And it's not just labels. Tracking updates attach automatically. So you're not hunting down where a package is. Returns, you generate a return label in a couple of clicks. They even offer package insurance right inside the app. So if something goes sideways in transit, you are covered. The decision I was most scared of became the one that paid me back. So shipping my own orders, the thing that I was sure would wreck my margins turned out to be one of the best decisions I made for my business. It's faster than I expected, it's cheaper than retail, and it gave me control over how my brand shows up at the customer's door. If you want to try it, comment the word ship and I'll send you the link with the 25 get 25 deal. It's also in the description. Remember, that deal only works through my link. And if you're still figuring out what to sell in the first place, comment Volt and I'll send you the free niche research spreadsheet to get you started. I'll see you in the next one. And if you want to see how I research for my t-shirt design business, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.